Is it well centered?
Yeah, we're stuck.
Every,
Oh wow.
oh.
So,
No more-
this was a
no more-
blooper.
Okay, let's think it's real. Okay.
Hum.
I hope we can cut this part off.
Yeah, I will have it. Depending on the company form. Oh my god.
Entering the Finnish market.
Thanks. Thank you, C. Up next, I have Tosin.
I thought we were doing a dry run.
It is a dry run.
Yeah, okay. Because I have things to say. Employee protections.
Is it me?
Yeah.
Oh shit.